This is Tattooed Granny, wasting away in Cedarville. Join me today. Here is the Midwest Morel Mushroom Progression Map for April 6th, 2023. We've added Pennsylvania, Kansas, and Indiana to the states popping grays. Kansas is a little dry. Georgia is basically finished in the far south. Everywhere else is going crazy except the north as we painfully await the arrival of our warm spring. Get out there and hunt. It's time. Hey, Tattooed Granny, can I eat that? Maybe. I mean, sure, but you might die or get sick. So, number one rule, get the correct ID. My information might help, but it shouldn't be your only source. Good books, forays, study, you got to do the work. And for edibles, once determined, so thoroughly cooked, never eat raw. Top tips from the old lady. TG out. Here's a quick refresher of some gear to take along when you're morel mushroom hunting. Don't forget the blaze orange to identify yourself from the turkeys. Get out there and hunt. Know your trees. Here are 4 hardwoods that love to associate with morel mushrooms. If you hunt these trees, you will find this. Good luck. Coming up will be a series of spring ephemerals, flowers and leaves that let you know it's morel mushroom hunting time. Get ready and buckle up for spring. Here come the morel mushrooms. Enjoy. They're here! They're here! It's morel season. It's real spring. The morels are finally here! Yeah, it's way too cold on that picnic table. What am I having? What is that?